Imagine a gathering around the dinner table. Laughter fills the air. The aroma of a delicious, healthy meal lingers. Did you know that mealtime is more than just eating? It's about connection and health. Research shows families who eat together create healthier kids. So, how can we make healthy family meals simple? Let's break it down. First, planning ahead is essential. Create a weekly menu. Knowing what to cook makes the week easier. You can avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Next, focus on balance in your meals. Aim for a plate that's half filled with veggies and fruits. That's colorful and nutritious. Fill a quarter with lean protein, and another quarter with whole grains. This balance promotes health for everyone. Now, let's talk about involving the kids. Cooking together is fun. It teaches valuable skills. Kids learn about nutrition while having a hands-on experience. This encourages them to make healthy choices. Eating together nourishes not just our bodies, but our hearts as well. It strengthens family bonds and fosters a sense of belonging. To summarize, plan your meals, balance your plates, and include your kids in cooking. Thanks for joining us today at HealthWise. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.